So Harmony is an Outlook add-in. Here we have all of our locations across Microsoft 365. It's important to think about Outlook as really it's still the main place where information is flowing in and out of organizations. So while information internally is being collaborated on within teams and stored within teams, inflows and outflows are in Outlook. So Harmony with our admin is really helping to bridge the gap between teams and all other Microsoft 365 locations and Outlook. You can see all of your locations, you can see channels, you can see subfolders within channels, and you can see all of the files that you have within Teams as well, right within Outlook. And within Outlook, it becomes really an easy way to, on the one hand, if you have, let's say, an attachment that you want to save on a team, you can save that right into the channel. You can drag and drop it in. And you can also easily edit and add metadata simply by right-clicking and opening the property editor. So you can do that very easily. If there's required metadata, this will pop up automatically. So it's really an easy way to save directly into any location. And on the other side of that, it's the easiest way to share. So if you have items within Teams that may have typically sort of lived in Teams, but you want to share those externally, you can go back into that channel and you can just drag and drop directly into an email. You'll get a link or an attachment, and you can send the live file or you can send the file directly as an attachment. So we're really helping to bridge the gap between the locations that things need to be organized in and the place that information is flowing in and out of the organization. And really, it's important to unlock the context in the personal inbox in order to have a holistic information management system, because information will always be flowing in and out of email, and usually it's trapped in there, and without giving an easy way to store that information, it'll never be organized effectively. Another thing we're doing with Harmony is making it really easy to apply that sort of metadata and apply those information management mechanisms without the user having to lift a finger. So the email view that I showed earlier in Teams, instead of a user having to fill out that information with Harmony, you can simply drag and drop an email into any location. You'll be prompted to create an email view the first time. And if you create that view, any email that you save into that location will automatically have the email metadata applied within Teams. And then if you jump into Teams, you'll see if we hop into that team here, that the email metadata is automatically applied on those emails. So the user really didn't have to do much. It's really creating that system of record through collaboration and through usability without causing the user any stress, and the painful steps relating to organizing data is something that we're automating here, so that really helps bridge the gap and makes information management really seamless. So automating metadata, creating views, and really creating a simple place in a simple way to organize information anywhere on Microsoft 365, including information flowing in and out of the inbox. That's what Harmony really, that's our sweet spot of what we really do.